Should you snack or should you not snack? I'm team snacking. So I was just about to have this little snack before I go and do a little workshop, some peppers and hummus. I really wanted an apple and peanut butter. I'm out of nut butters, all nut butters, not just peanut butter, almond butter, everything. Never happens. Anyway, people always ask me about snacking. I actually wrote a book on snacking, all about snacking, in 2006. That's how long I've been doing this. But here's the deal. People think of snacking as sort of grazing, picking throughout the day. I am not a fan of that. The problem is people aren't snacking properly. People are picking and grazing and snacking out of some box of highly processed, salty or sugary something. That is not the right way to go. But when you snack properly in portion control and the right proportion of nutrients, a mix of fiber and or protein and healthy fat, that can be very beneficial. That has been shown to help control blood sugar, to help lower cholesterol levels, to help improve energy. So there are many benefits to snacking properly. The key is to learn to really snack properly on whole real foods, like I said, proper portion and proportions versus picking and grazing throughout the day on the wrong types of food.